guys, in today's video I'm going to show you 3 weird ways to make money online. You probably will want to try one of them, maybe. They're strange ways. Let's go.
Okay, the first way of making money online, that's a weird way, and I'll keep if you stick till the end, you'll have the best way, the more fun. But okay, this one is an easy one. If you want to sell your stool or your poop, you can go to humanmicrobes.org and they will literally pay $500 per stool, um, just to study it, I guess. And they can offer you up to, I mean, if you think about it, that's on their website anyway. So they can pay you up to $180,000 per year, guys, for something you're doing, probably every day for a normal person, but your poop has value, whether you believe it or not. And that's the proof. So if you want to make some easy money, just go to their website, humanmicrobes.org, and become a donor. And that's where you can just cash in from selling something you're putting in the trash anyways, because you're just flushing it. So if you want to make money of it, it's probably, I mean, it's probably not very hygienic when you think about it. It's just the task of doing it, having to send it away and everything. But it can make you money. So if you want to do that, that's one very weird way of making money. And look, like if you can get $180,000 per year just by doing something you're doing every day, why not? The second one I wanted to tell you about, so second weird way of making money online is just by selling your hair. So if you go to that website, hairsalon.com, you can literally sell your hair for real money. So if you're thinking of cutting your hair, you have really long hair and you're tired of that and you were thinking of cutting your hair, why not just sell it? Sell your hair. So it depends on, I guess, the length, the color of your hair, the texture. You can set up your own price and you can list it on their website. And as you can see, look, these people sold their hair for $500, 1,550, 480. Here you have some that are listed. This person, but these are really long hair, but that's 2,200. Our best offer, 300. So depending on the lengths, you can sell your hair. That's really weird, but people buy it because for real good quality wigs, you need real hair, and that would be one way to get hair for your wigs. Or even if you're creating wigs, that's a very, very lucrative business as well, from what I've heard. But that's one of the reasons why people would buy hair. So yeah, second weird way. And now we're getting on to the best one, the one I really like. Okay, the third weird way of making money online is as well the best one, I guess, and the one where you're gonna have the most fun is to become a shopping evaluator. So if you go to this website called coilhospitality.com and you go to evaluators, you can literally test hotels, resorts, restaurants, travel and tourism, so anything in travel and tourism, cruises, spas, luxury retail, banking, wealth management, and big tickets consumables. So it could be auto, home, etc. And they pay you per task. So I did my little study, and they pay you for $40 per task, but as well, you're getting like a free meal or a free night out, or you can stay on a cruise for free because you're testing it. So you get paid for the task, but as well you're getting like an experience that you wouldn't maybe be able to afford to purchase yourself. So that would be like a really cool way. That's a really like a side hustle that you would do for fun more than to make money, because you're paid per task. But like, if you don't have much money already and you want to have an experience that you've never done before, that could be a good way of doing it. So that company is called Coil, coilhospitality.com, and you go to evaluators and you just submit your application. And that's it for today's video, guys.
Thanks again guys for watching my video. If you found this video useful, or even if you didn't find it useful, please give me some thumbs up, subscribe to my channel right here, and let me know if you're gonna try one of these weird ways of making money online. Comment below, and I'll see you on the next one with a brand new way of making money online. See you guys!